Today is another day of my trading marathon. My goal is to turn $100 into more than $100,000 in just 73 days. And the most interesting part is, I'm not planning to take huge risks or try to flip the account in one day. My goal is to consistently grow the balance by around 10% per day. That's the power of compound interest. Even small daily growth can turn into a huge result over time. Every single day, I'll show all my trades, my current balance, and the entire journey with no cuts and nothing hidden. Let's see if discipline, risk management, and signals from the Elite Signals trading bot can really turn this deposit into a six-figure balance. Let's begin.
All right, guys, welcome to day one of the marathon. Over the next 73 trading days, I'll be trying to turn $100 into $100,000. To do that, I need to grow the account by roughly 10% per day. Here's my money management table that I'll be following throughout the challenge. My first trade is always between 1 and 3% of the balance. If a trade closes in a loss, the next one will be opened with a 2.5 multiplier. Today's starting balance is $100. So let's get straight into the trading and see how day one goes. All right, let's get into the trading session. First, I choose an asset on the platform, and then I open Elite Signals and select the exact same asset there. For this video, I'll be using 15-second signals to keep things moving and not drag the video out too much. Let's request a signal. And there it is. But what I like most isn't even the signal itself. If you scroll down, you'll see a full breakdown of the setup, support, and resistance levels and additional technical analysis. So you're not just getting a direction for the trade, you're also seeing the reasoning behind it. That's one of the reasons I use Elite Signals every day. While this trade is running, I want to point something out. A lot of beginners spend their time searching for some secret strategy or a magic indicator. But most of the time, the real problem isn't the strategy. The problem is having no system at all. That's why I like this approach. Get a signal, check the analysis, open the trade, record the result, then repeat the same process again. No guessing, no chasing the market, and no emotional decisions. And if you've ever struggled with support and resistance levels, pay close attention to the analysis inside Elite Signals. The more you use it, the more patterns you start noticing on your own, and the easier it becomes to understand what the market is actually doing. All right, guys, day one of the marathon is officially complete. We actually did a little better than planned today. The account balance is now $112. It might not seem like much yet, but every big result starts with small steps. There are still 72 trading days ahead, and I'll be showing every trade, every result, and updating my risk management table along the way. Let's see if it's really possible to turn $100 into $100,000 by growing the account by around 10% per day. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and follow the journey. See you in day two.